Oh, hi there. This video is gonna be sweet and simple. Let's go. YouTube, we back with another video, another banger, another go crazy video, another whatever you want to call it, man. We back with another video today, man. God damn, camera stay still. You know what I'm saying? Today, you already know what we got. We got the 5.7 Jeep, you know what I'm saying? Damn, it's getting warm outside, y'all. Look at them tires. Get to see this view right here. Hold on, this the thumbnail right here. Look at that bitch. I'm playing with him. But anyway, today we gonna be saying all the things you need for maintenance for this 5.7 Jeep. So this 5.7 Jeep does have a lot of maintenance. It is tuned. Can you see my seat through there? That bitch look good, dude. I'm playing with it. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're going over today. The maintenance. What maintenance do we have to do to keep up with this 5.7 Jeep, y'all? Let's get straight to the video. Okay, guys, first thing first, the number one thing. Damn, that sun going crazy right now. Number one thing, let's get a co-star real quick, low key. Let me see. All right, 1, 2. Yes, sir. Let's get a cold start. Ooh, ooh, that bitch chopping good. Anyway, all right, y'all. First thing first, the gas. I can smell it already. The gas, bro. The maintenance. The first maintenance thing is, God damn, it's windy as hell. Open this bitch up, goddamn. A lot. As you can see, the gas is already on fucking like what 36, 37 miles left. So the gas already fucking crazy. But I pay about what $100 to fill this bitch up. Like this bitch loud as hell. You know what I'm saying? But that's the first thing, gas. So if you get a 5.7 Jeep, I don't care if that bitch stock. This is tuned, obviously. All right, let's turn this bitch off for a minute. That bitch loud as hell. Fuck. All right. But yeah, gas. If you get a what the fuck is this? If you get a 5.7 Jeep, gas is gonna be a pain, bro. But I mean, I'm used to it by now, but I don't fill my car up ever because that shit costs way too fucking much money. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Alright, y'all, number two, I ain't gonna lie. Oil change, bro. Like, on this car, I ain't gonna lie. On this Jeep, it costs so much money to get a fucking oil change, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, focus the fucking camera on me, okay? Focus it on me. Alright. But, the oil change, the oil pan for this car, all together. What the fuck did I just say? Anyway, y'all, like I was saying before I was fucking interrupted by my cameraman. But let me pop the hood real quick. Oh, alright, popped it. My fingers. It's cold out here, guys. But so the oil change, bro, I ain't gonna lie, like that shit, where the fuck is what? There we go. Oh, the beloved engine of the 5.7 Jeep. It's like, nah. Yeah, so the 5.7 Jeep, specifically since it's an SUV, takes a lot more oil because the oil pan's a lot bigger than your, I guess you could say, like Challenger, Charger 300, you know what I'm saying, oil change. So if you plan on getting a 5.7 Jeep, just know your oil change is going to come out to like well over $100 also. Luckily you don't have to get an oil change that often, but just know when you do get one, that shit's gonna cost you a quick penny, especially if you drive your Jeep, especially with, you know, gas too. The previous number one thing I said, they're both gonna cost you some money, bro. It's not a cheap SUV. I don't care if someone say it's slow, it's this, it's that, bro. It costs a lot of money to maintain and do maintenance on this bitch because it's a luxury SUV. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is you doing, cameraman? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Number motherfucking 30. I had to take my headphones off because the wind is so fucking windy out here. Can y'all hear me good? Can y'all? Alright. But number 3, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, is tires. So, we got these nice, you know, non-raceable tires right here. Yes, I know you guys gonna say, why he say tires? He can't even spin his shit. Like, bro, ever since I got a tune, this is for people that actually want to like build their 5.7 Jeep. You know what I'm saying? Or even 5.7s in general. Any 5.7 you want, Charger, Challenger, it ain't gotta be. But yeah, so you gonna need tires, man. I ain't gonna lie. So ever since I got, you know, I'm show you the tread on these bitches. They not that bad. But ever since I got a motherfucking tune and basically all that stuff, all the tunes I got, my car been just fucking losing traction off the line. And I ain't gonna lie, like just in general, I drive fast sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I do a lot of pulls off the line. I do a lot of 060s. I do a lot of, you know, hella shit. And with the tune activated all the time and the pedal box with the response time, with all this extra stuff, I lose tread a lot faster, especially since, you know, you know what I'm saying, this bitch fast for real. Stop playing. You know, this bitch fast, you know, right? It's fast, right? This bitch fast, right, guys? But anyway, yes, number 3 is tires. My 5.7 Jeep with the tune, with the pedal box, with everything. It can, god damn, wind? It can spin around corners. It can spin off the line. I have traction control off, and it is a hassle. So tires is number 3. Let's get into number 4. I apologize for this motherfucking wind, but number 4 on the list, you know what I'm saying, are the brakes and the rotors. I do not have Brembos. I will get Brembos soon enough, but right now I don't have Brembos. I have the old-fashioned, you know what I'm saying, the old-fashioned, you know, brake boys. So me having to tune, me having trying to go fast speeds, because this 5.7 Jeep is not a regular Jeep anymore, you know what I'm saying? So you have to change out the brake pads a lot more often. I haven't changed mine yet, but I already know my shit started squeaking not too long ago, so my shit, you know, I might have to change it soon, but I haven't changed my rotors yet. Usually if you change your brake pads fast enough, you won't have to change your rotors much at all. But yeah, brakes and rotors obviously comes with every car, especially if you drive a lot. I drive a lot personally, so that's another thing. I just want to do some add-ins though. Or air filter, mine's getting pretty dirty. You're gonna have to replace that a lot. I had this air filter on not that long either, so it's pretty fucking dirty, as you can fucking see. But yes, guys, that's number 4 on the list. Like I said, I'm not gonna have this video be too long, but those are all the things that will be. Alright, YouTube, man, that's the end of the video, man. We at the gas station. Because, like I said, the number one thing is gas, you know what I'm saying? I don't never not got no gas, so that's where we at. We at this in Moco. I don't know if y'all got that in y'all state, if y'all out of state, but that's the end of the video, man. I'm getting in this car because it is a little nippy out here, but I hope everyone enjoyed this video. That is all the maintenance things that you need for at least a 5.7 Jeep. Is that a Scat Pack? That's not even worth showing y'all, man. That shit, that's not even a Scat Pack. This Durango hard though. Y'all see that shit? That bitch got red stripes. That bitch nigga trying to be like me. That's an RT Durango too. But that's the end of the video, man. Subscribe. Did y'all subscribe? Y'all better subscribe, man, cause I got a lot of banger content coming in. Y'all, if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all just missing out at this point. Y'all just this on y'all at this point. I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I love every single last one of y'all. Like I say every video, because I do love you. Do you love me? Because I love you.